Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Haven't posted very much on here in the last little while, but I intend on working on getting some more stuff up in the next little bit, especially with summer around the corner. But in the meantime, I did a rock trade with Tidewater Agates on Instagram, and if you haven't already, I suggest giving him a follow. So yeah, he sent me like a ton of awesome agates from the Pacific Northwest. So I figured I'd just show you guys some of the stuff he sent me. So we'll start over here, and I've already kind of dug into it because I couldn't wait, but he sent me some really awesome stuff, some really awesome water level, which I love. I don't really come across a lot of water level stuff here. I've only actually got one in my collection, so really nice stuff. And this stuff is all raw, I think. I know he sent me some polished stuff, and we'll look at that in just a little bit here. These things are just wild. So cool. I love this dark variation. They're almost like black, dark blue. Really awesome details. I think I'll probably throw some of these guys in the tumbler and see how they turn out. I think they're gonna look awesome all shined up. Especially some of these big nodules. Alright, so I'm gonna dig into the polished stuff now. Look at some of these big guys first. Like, just crazy stuff. This is awesome. These things polish up so nice too. I find a lot of the time when I'm tumbling agates from Lake Superior, especially where I'm from, there's so much host rock stuck to the agates that it takes quite a while to actually tumble the basalt or rhyolite off of the agate. These ones are just awesome. Doesn't seem to be any host rock on these at all. Really cool. This. There we go. Big blue water level. I might cut some of these just to see what's inside of them. I haven't quite decided yet, but just the texture on these are just like wild. They're so cool. Super happy with these. Hopefully he enjoys the ones that I sent him. What else is here? Tons of water level ones. Actually, I was just talking to him not that long ago, and he said that he seems to find way more now than he used to a couple of years ago. He said it used to be kind of like 1 in 60 for water level, and now he's finding 1 in every 10 is a water level, which is awesome. I definitely wish I could find more of that here, but I don't know, it just doesn't seem to be very prominent where I am, up on the eastern shore of the lake. That one's got really nice color. yeah, look at the bands in there. So sweet. Look at this big guy. Just amazing. Quartz pocket in there. Really cool. Look at that color, the orange. Just really, really cool stuff. I still haven't got out yet this season, unfortunately. The snow here is just finally starting to melt, and so I'm pretty excited to get out and hopefully take you guys along with me. Find some Lake Superior agates. A little fortification window there. All right, let's check out some of the smaller stuff. Can't believe the amount of rocks he sent me. Just phenomenal. This is just, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's just some crazy details in some of these guys. Pick a few up here. That's just wild. I'll look through some of these. Wow, look at that. Absolutely stunning. If there's anything you guys would like to see on this channel, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. Primarily probably just going to be taking along on some rock hunting adventures, maybe checking the tumbler. Wow, look at those eyes. Just crazy details in these guys. What else is here? That. Just awesome stuff. Let's see. Check out a few more. It'd take me forever to go through all of this with you guys, but definitely look at some of it for sure. That one's pretty cool. That. The details in there. This stuff actually kind of reminds me of that blue and white agatized coral that Taylor was showing on his channel that he received from Dig Dive Discover, I believe it was. It's really cool stuff. So, anyways, that's this is it. Like, quite a haul that he sent me. I'm super grateful. Awesome stuff to put on display down in my shop. And yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll be uploading some more stuff soon. All right, bye guys.